Keep it over that way.
Are you videotaping?
Uh-huh. Get over here where I can see in the light.
Is that better?
Yeah. No, oh, I missed that. That's too high.
Ready?
Uh-huh.
Ready again?
Yeah. No, I missed it, baby. I'm not fast enough.
Now you ready?
I'm ready. There, I got it. I held it up in the air far enough that...
This thing is crazy, isn't it?
It is. Oh, I lost it. 12 minutes, that's all you get?
Yeah.
How long?
I can get a bigger battery.
Okay,
It'll give me about 20 minutes.
okay. How long does the battery have to be charged?
About an hour.
Whoa! Uh-oh. Can we erase that part? You heard it?
No.
Okay.
Pretty durable too. Look at juicy, Grandma.
Where's she at?
Right, just down to your left. Left.
Don't let it hit me. I bruised.
Look at this. You see the video? On my phone?
Okay, yes.
See, that's got a camera on it.
Isn't that cool?
Now watch this.
You going up or down?
Look, Grandma. Now watch this. Oops. There we go. See that?
Up and down. What an amazing little toy. Okay, I've almost got 3 minutes worth. Bring it down, okay.
It's looking down over the fire pit. Look.
Jim be anxious.
Something just fell off.